Today we find ourselves back in the sand pit.
Ah,
And we have
Daddy.
Dinoco Cruise.
Cruise.
We have Doc Hudson. Jackson Storm. Ooh, Ramon.
Cool, Daddy.
Red. Finn McMissile.
Yeah, cool.
Lightning McQueen. Shiny Lightning McQueen. Ooh, a racer.
The car.
The cop car. And we got Tokyo Lightning McQueen.
Uh-oh.
Ooh, the cop car is on top of Ramon.
Yeah.
There we go. Mater over there.
Hi, peace. Uh-oh, peace. Peace. Oh, peace there. More?
Ooh, Chick Hicks. And you got Sally. And that's just a nice Hot Wheels truck. Let's see what kind of truck it is. Remember, we could see it on the bottom. Ford, oh yeah, look, a Ford Raptor. There you go. So this guy, he's good at going through the mud, Lorenzo. See that?
Yeah.
Sally's hanging out up there.
The car.
The car is stuck.
Help me!
Uh-oh. Sally's stuck. How are we gonna get her out? Do we need a tow truck?
Yeah.
How's the tow truck gonna get her out?
Yeah.
Lightning McQueen, look at him. He can't go through the sand that good. See, he gets stuck. Look at Jackson Storm. He's pretty much almost covered in there. Big Red's doing all right. Ooh, another racer. He's stuck in there. Gotta get the tow truck.
Help me! Yeah.
Wow, so helpful. Get the tow truck to get Jackson Storm out. See, we gotta back the tow truck up here. Oh, Jackson Storm out. So let's see if we can back up. Let's see if we can hook up on him. Got Jackson Storm out. Look at that. Jackson Storm is now out of it. Oh no. How are we gonna get Ramon?
Yeah!
Nice.
Pull me up!
Yeah, you're better now. Look at Dinoco Cruise. She's stuck.
Yeah.
Oh, she was just able to drive out. Okay.
Wow. Wow.
She's all shiny. Wow, look at her. Look at how nice her paint is. It's sparkly. Look at her wheels, Lorenzo. They're blue. Wow. What a cool car. This is a cool car right here.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yeah.
Wow, let's look at Jackson Storm. Let's take a look.
That's me.
Wow. Got Tow Mater from Tokyo.
Daddy. Daddy.
Nice.
That's me.
No mores.
Two, cut, there. No more, yellow cuts.
You're happy?
Alright, check out my two there. Oh, makes me happy. Yeah. Get up, Daddy.
Look at all the traffic, Lorenzo. Because of this accident, there's all this traffic. All of these cars are waiting now to go. How are we gonna get these cars out of there, Lorenzo?
Yeah.
With Mater?
Yeah.
We're gonna have to back them up. Got one, got two,
Wow.
got three,
Yay.
4. Good job.
But
How many cars do you think he could fit in there? I'm gonna put Chick in there.
move. Number cuts, yogis.
I see more cars in there. Looks like I see Chick. Fabulous Lightning McQueen. Go ahead, get her out. Get her out. Yeah!
Uh-oh.
There's a couple of cars stuck in there. Uh-oh. Here. Nice. What is that, Lorenzo? Is that a helicopter?
Yeah.
Wow.
Ooh, bubble cart. Just cause the machine. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.